recently came across this new channel which has gained 303,000 subscribers with just 42 videos. And according to Social Blade, they are making more than $5,000 with the niche. This is not a new niche, but they have done something unique. They have combined two niches at the same time, bedtime stories and historical stories, to create a new unique niche. Now you may think that does this niche actually work well? If you take a look at this channel, they have started posting videos a month ago, and this video, which was uploaded 3 weeks ago, has gained 2.8 million views. This video is the turning point of this channel. If you take a look at the previous videos, they have normally had around 5,000 views, but this specific video has gained 2.8 million views. Point to note aside, YouTube likes consistency. By being consistent with your posting, your channel just needs one video to blow your channel up. In today's video, we are going to create such a niche from scratch, step by step. So let's start the process. I'm not going to talk about finding a name or creating a description for this channel. It's not that complicated. You can use these ChatGPT prompts to names and description for your channel. When it comes to the logo and banner image for your channel, you can use the Canva free version. No need to buy their subscription. Basically, what you need to do is select this custom size option and use 2000 pixels as both height and width. Then you will come to this editing dashboard here. You need to select a color. I'm going to go with is brown color theme, so you can go to the elements and select this shape and add it here. Then you need to resize it to fit the whole area, and let's change the color. Now I'm just going to add the 2 initial letters of the name I selected like this by adding a text layer. I don't like the font, so I'm going to scroll down and choose this neon pink font and change the font color to white. I'm going to tone the glow effect down, so I'm going to head over to effects and tone intensity like this. Now for the banner image, you need to select the custom size and insert 2560 pixels as the width and 1440 pixels as the height. I'm going to use the same brown color for this, just like we did before. If you want, you can add some graphics like this to this banner. It's completely optional. If you want to keep the minimalist look, you can add some silhouettes like this as well. Then just add a simple slogan like this in the middle. And with that, you are all set with branding. Now that you have your logo and banner, it's time to create your channel. I won't go over this step for channel creation process. You can watch my last video for that. Now let's move on to the content creation process. As you can see in this channel, these videos have around 50 minutes now. In order to make a similar script to these videos, we need to adapt to their presentation style, which is very calm and mesmerizing. I have created 2 prompts that you can use for content. Idea generation, which you can make any number of video ideas for this niche. The second one is to generate unique style scripts for video ideas. As you can see here, I have generated 10 video ideas for this niche. I'm going to select one of these topics and insert it into the second prompt, and let's generate. I think this script will be perfect for our first video. Next is to paste this script to a tool that is called InVideo AI. InVideo AI is all-in-one tool that creates all types of video creation you want, from realistic videos, animation, and AI videos. All you have to do is to generate a good prompt to get the best results for your video. Next, paste your prompt to this small black box. Make sure you write all the details you want your video to include and hit Generate Video. It will take a few minutes to generate your video. After a few minutes, you will see these options. If you want your video to include stock media, you will choose that option, or you can go Fresh Unique Content, which will be the generative media option. Down here, these is the visual style, which I will choose the realistic option. And then the duration, I will choose 10 minutes, and platform will be YouTube, and then hit Continue. So the next step is going to be generating voiceovers. Now you can use 11 Labs for this process. They offer free 10,000 characters, which you can use to create several videos. You can use this to start your channel. Then when your channel starts to grow, you can get their basic package. The voice I'm going to use is called Brian. After selecting the voice, copy the script part by part and generate the voiceovers. Then you can download those and place them in the separate folder. Next, head over to Leonardo AI to generate images with vintage and historical color tones for this process. You can use any image generator with Leonardo AI. You get daily free credits. When it comes generating images, you need to use accurate prompts. So what I'm going to do is ask ChatGPT to generate 25 image prompts in the correct order to represent the above video script. These images are going to have the same color tone and style. Once the prompts are generated, go back to your preferred AI image generator and generate all the images. Now that I have created all the images, it's time to edit these and make the final output using CapCut. You can use any video editor of your choice. It doesn't really matter which app you use. This process is really simple. First, you need to select the size of this video as 16:9 vertical ratio. Then import all the voiceover files, images, and AI videos you created. To this, start the editing process by adding the voiceover files first, and then add the suitable images and videos in the matching places. This process is super easy, Not complex editing skills needed, just drag and drop. Make sure to mix both images and AI videos. Keep editing to your liking. Once you are done, you can export to your phone or computer. I'm using the CapCut app on my iPad, but you can use the desktop version as well. It has more editing options. Just like this, you can create videos for this specific niche. It's not that complicated. I hope this video was valuable for you guys. If you have any question, just drop a comment. I will see you guys in the next